Peace, family. Esikhomesteddah here with a video on couponing this week at CVS. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little video, and I thought this might be an easy one to show you guys how these transactions work when you couponing at CVS. So this week there was a promo on lots of tissue this week. The bamboo tissue, which they were out of, and the tree free, and also the Charmin Ultra Strong. So let me break this down for you guys. So as you can see, according to my receipt, the Charmin was actually $4.99 this week. And as you can see over here is where I paid in CVS money, which is ECBs. I had a $10 and a $4. So that brought my total up to $1.04. Okay? And I actually got back $5. So this promotion was buy 3 get $5 back. So as you can see, this is how the rewards, the ECBs, work. So you always want to focus on buying things that will give you bucks back, and then you can actually roll this into your next transaction if you choose to, or hold on to it until it expires. All right, so I decided to hold on to it to see what deals I could get this week with it. Okay, and then over here, the tree free was $2.99. And again, I paid with ECB, which is my Care Pass $10 reward, the same as the other transaction, and also another CVS ECB, which was $4. So actually, you buy 3 and you get back $3. So this is my extra care bucks that I got back on the free tree. So that's toilet paper. So that's how CVS works, you guys. I love couponing at CVS because my out-of-pocket, which is your old OOP, short for out-of-pocket expense, was only $1 for in this transaction as well. Now, if I would have left one out, I wouldn't have had to pay anything, but $1 for 5 packs of toilet paper, that's not bad. In return, I got back extra care bucks. So I didn't roll this one either into a transaction. I said I'll hold on to it to see what kind of deals I can get this week with it starting today. So that is just a little breakdown on how CVS works. So again, the Charmin was buy 3 get $5 off. The tree free toilet paper was $2.99 each. Buy 3 get $3 back. So that's not a bad deal for all this toilet paper for just $2.08. That's not a bad deal, and I got back $8. Okay, family. So as time go on, I will break some more of these deals down for you guys so you guys can get an understanding. I will be attempting to bring you guys a couponing 101 series to get you guys started on couponing, so you guys can get out here and get these deals and start building your stockpile for emergency use as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on how to coupon at CVS, and hopefully you guys are getting some understanding of how CVS work. I will do some more hauls on Walgreens as well. I just haven't been there. I kind of been laying low as far as couponing because, you know, the situation with the house and everything. But I will definitely be going hard in grind mode when it comes to this couponing. So all right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that just a little teaching on couponing at CVS. So what you can do, you guys, is start building your accounts with CVS. Create as many accounts as you possibly can with CVS. Create as many accounts with Walgreens, and the same with Family Dollar and Dollar General. That will get you started in understanding digital coupons along with manufactured coupons. So start doing that. So I want you guys to do some homework, do some research, so that you can get more familiar. Like I said before, there are other couponers out there that are really, really gangster with it. that are just fierce. I mean, like really, really fierce. I'm not at that point. I'm good, but I'm not so, I'm gangster, but not gangster like a lot of them. A lot of them, I think they just coupon for life. That's their lifestyle. But yeah, you guys, so let me stop rambling because I'm so tired today, and I know I got to get ready for a big week this week with these people coming in to finish off what's going on in here. I'm about sick of those people, but I'm hanging in there, and things is gonna get done, and I'm hoping by the end of the week that I'll have a brand new kitchen and a brand new bathroom, if all goes well. So you guys make sure y'all send me some of that good energy, that good positive energy. And this is Esikhomesteddah Homesteader, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I want to thank all you guys, all you new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I'm working hard to get good content out to you guys so that we can all grow in wisdom and knowledge and help each other out. I love this community of people. Everybody is here, each one teach one. Nobody knows it all over here, and we're just here to help build this community of people that are willing to learn and understand the importance of becoming self-sustainable and self-sufficient. All right, family, so this is Esikhomesteddah Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys stay safe. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and please share. Thank you so much. Peace, love, and light, family. I'm out.